This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East. You've clicked onto this Monday, July 13th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. First thing I want to talk about is the overnight thunderstorm activity last night that dropped some very heavy amounts of rain in northeastern Davidson County and northwestern parts of Randolph County, especially northeast Davidson County. In that little chunk of real estate there you see in the red shading, I know it's tough to see on the video, but that's northeastern Davidson County. In that area there was 5 to 6 inches of rain in only about an hour's time. That obviously caused some flash flooding problems, and this morning there were a good number of Duke Energy customers reporting power outages there in Davidson County. Now, elsewhere, I want to show you this. This is the radar image from the GSP NexRad, and of course you're probably watching this much later in the day, but this was during the 5 o'clock hour. Pretty good complex of storms developed and moved through parts of Gaston and Lincoln counties. Dropped a lot of lightning and dropped some heavy rain as well. The bigger picture on the radar just after 5 a.m. shows you rain, some embedded thunderstorms moving through the western Carolinas, and you can follow the storms back through Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and into the Ozarks, and even farther north into the Plain States from there. And there's been a lot of lightning with a good chunk of this activity overnight. That's all along a frontal boundary that's dropping into our area today, and showers and storms are going to keep firing along that front. Now, gradually, as the day unfolds, drier air works in from the north and west. So, say in the northwest Piedmont, it may be mainly dry by mid to late afternoon. But for the Charlotte zone, we probably see that shower and storm chance continue for a large portion of the day, maybe ending by the evening time. And then the much drier air moves in. In terms of severe weather today, can't rule out a couple isolated strong to severe storms. The greatest threat east and west of here. But still, again, a few isolated thunderstorms could grow severe as today unfolds. Now, that much drier air will settle in tonight. We drop to the low to mid-60s tonight. And then tomorrow, boy, it's going to be a really low humidity type of day. It's going to be another one of those days where it will not feel like mid-July out there with very low levels of humidity, highs in the mid to upper 80s. So it'll be warm, a lot of sunshine, but just really low humidity values considering it'll be the middle part of July. On Wednesday, looks like we'll see highs surging up toward the lower 90s, but still looks like a mainly dry day for Wednesday, although I can't completely rule out an isolated storm. I do think better chances for seeing some areas of scattered thunderstorm activity arrive on Thursday. And if that's the case, if we do see a little better coverage of showers and storms, it might hold the midweek heat wave in check. So we may only have to deal with low to maybe mid-90s on Wednesday and Thursday, and that'd be okay with, I think, a lot of folks. It looks like some scattered storms Thursday, then again on Friday. It looks like we're going to see this next front sort of stall out near our area. So there's Friday, that is Saturday, and finally Sunday. So it looks like at least through Saturday, a good chance for at least some scattered afternoon storms each day as we get into a fairly active pattern to end the week after some pretty quiet weather Tuesday and Wednesday, and that follows the pretty active day with showers and storms out there for today. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Monday, and God bless.